Morning all. Here we are back in the shop. Need to get a heater going. It's freaking cold. It's like 23 degrees outside right now with the wind chill. So we're gonna start working on the Diamond T again. Start tearing the rear tires off, all that. Start looking in the brakes, see how far more we need to go. We did get new hoses, but decided probably I'll just go deeper instead of putting the hoses on and finding more wrong. So yeah, we're just gonna start into that. All right, we got her all jacked up. And anybody that's not familiar with these Dayton style wheels, you always want to loosen your lug nuts, but never take them all the way off. And you're gonna see I'll loosen them all up and then hit it with a hammer. Because if you just take them off, sometimes all these wheels and tires, everything will just come off. They can come off fairly violently. And if you're standing in front of them, they can't hurt you. So it's kind of an old style wheel. Still find them out there, but they're getting rarer and rarer. A lot of tire shops won't even mount these style tires on these 3-piece rims anymore. These split rims. So yeah, that's it. Just if you guys work on them, be safe, because they can't hurt you. You can see it. It's loose, but they're stuck on there, so gotta get a hammer. Once it's loose, should be good to go. That one's still tight. We'll get it. That's pretty much the one you really want to worry about. So. I honestly don't know what we're getting myself into either, because I don't know if it's just going to be easy to pull this off and pull the drums. There's that. And you got a spacer. Pick all that up in a minute. Spacer off. Had it off before, I know it comes off. stuck. Right there, stuck. Yeah, now I'm going to top. See. Alrighty, after a little bit of a discussion with the wheel, we were able to coax it off. I think the biggest part of my problem is there's a crack right there. So that is actually up, but it caused everything else to kind of bind up on that wheel or that ring. So we got it off nonetheless. So now we're gonna work on getting the brake drum off so we can figure out what the heck's in there. Not 100% sure what I'm doing here. I believe we're gonna have to pull the axle out, then take these bolts or nuts loose, and then that should take that hub piece off. But I'm gonna do a little more looking around on it, try to figure it out, but we'll get it. One thing about us, we don't quit until it's done. Even if we gotta use a torch, we'll cut it off, we don't care. So I do have, like I said, I do have a spare Diamond T out in the front yard. Has a little bit different axle in it, probably a lot easier rims to work with. But yeah, no, we're gonna pull the axle, see what's in there. Well, that was easier than I thought, and no hole yet. But now I need a big old nut. So I haven't worked on semi stuff in a long time. So I don't have the tools any longer to pull that big old nut off. But we're gonna dig around toolboxes. We'll figure it out. One thing about us, we will figure it out one way or another. Well, luckily, so far it's not that tight. Probably really good on that nut though, getting with a pry bar, but I see a part number, so I'm not too worried about it. If all else fails, I'll grind it down, we'll get the right socket eventually. Put it all back together again. And then problem number 2 is how heavy is this stupid thing? Oh man, there's another nut. And that one there looks like somebody's already done what we've done to it. Oh, it's handy. Yeah, it's always good when they're handy. That means it was tight. That was good. Oh, man, we're making progress, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're about to have this licked here in a minute. Might have to get my jack over here and hold this up. Once again, I don't know how heavy it is. More than a pound, less than a million, I guarantee you that. Well, let me get everything figured out and then bring you guys back. Alrighty guys, I moved you back a little bit. I don't know what's gonna happen here, so I didn't want you guys to get hurt. I assume it should just come off, but again, I don't know. So I can pry on that vacuum plate. It's pretty solid. So I got the bearing coming loose. Can't get it out, but it's coming loose. Down just a little bit. Yeah, not much on there. May just have to man up. Woo. Man up may not be the option either. Wow, I think it's heavy. Bearing stuck. Let's see. She's tight and she's heavy, but she's coming. That's a good thing. See what kind of black widow infested nightmare we have in this thing here. Whew. It's heavy, boys and girls, though. Got that bearing out. Now, continue the good fight here. Feels good. Don't know if it is good. I'm gonna jack out here on the end. I feel once I get a hold of it, I'm gonna have a hold of it. It's gonna be all mine. Whew. Yeah. Just every bit of heavy. Just don't know what to do with it, how to do it. Well, it's stuck now. Yay. Honestly, I think I need to take it off in a couple pieces here now. See if I can put it back on somewhat here. Maybe. Not. Dang it. Well, what size are them? Probably bigger than that. Yep. They're loose. What are the chances it has a bolt that goes through and needs to be held? Whew, we might be lucky. Maybe not that lucky. Dang it. Well, it's coming off one piece, I guess. Because them bolts are bolts. They're not just studs. Oh, that one sticks in there like it should. This one don't. I don't know. Tell you, Jimmy. Well, let's help Jimmy. We got it off. So looks like we had some dirt daubers living in there. Part of a mouse house. Lots of dirt daubers. And then just a bunch of dirt and years of dust sitting around. So we'll get them. Main thing I'm after is that right there. The brake pads look wore out. So that's good. They'll be fine. These ones are good on this side. So half a brake, it's better than no brakes. So, well, we're gonna get a vacuum cleaner and suck all that out of there and get it as clean as can and try to figure out if we'll store it with that guy right there. Well, forgot to record. Hit the record button, but got the brake shoes all off. Gonna finish cleaning it up a little bit more. We're gonna pull the brake master cylinder off, or brake cylinder off. It's a Wagner Lockheed cylinder. So I know Wagner's still around, kind of looked it up, but see if I can find a part number on there. Did find a part number on the brake shoes, put it in their website. It says not found. Did a kind of quick look on Google, found a part number for that. They come up as a radiator in their website. So I know that's not right, but we're gonna pull that little guy off there, see if there's any more part numbers on there. Did find something on eBay, replacements, but if anybody knows a part number for those or can help me locate a new set of them other than eBay, or even a rebuild kit for them, that'd be helpful. Thanks. Well, we was able to get it all apart and got the cylinder off. The cylinder part number is a FE1578. So we're gonna look that up, see if we can find a replacement or a kit to rebuild it. Not gonna tear apart the other side yet. Want to do one side at a time, that way if I forget how the springs go and all that, I have a reference. I can go take the tire off and go look over there, and just kind of helps me. Even though I took pictures, it's just better to do that than forget, not get something right, or struggle. Just can't go to Google and Google all this information. So yeah, just move on there. I think we're gonna move over to the front, work on the front driver's side, get it pulled apart, kind of see what we need for parts for that, and start looking stuff up.